Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Ahmad Rafael Fauzan.
And my name is Khalil Faizafran Puribawa.
So today we would like to presenting our business plan. So before start, I want you to look around on the corner of your room. I'm sure there will be at least one trash in your room. And then even more if you go outside from your house, if you like go outside to the road and then to the park, I'm sure there will be a trash like this. It's a common looks in Indonesia because there's so many problems. So we will see from statistic. Okay, from KLHK SIPSN in 2022. So in 45 people, there is only 9% that know how to manage their waste. And then the waste crisis. Indonesia is facing a serious waste crisis in the world because it's producing over 60 million tons of waste every year, but only around 7 until 10% is recycled. So there is so many plastic or trash that haven't processed. Then waste is a very big issue. So Indonesia faces a growing waste crisis, producing over 60 millions, but there is only several percent that know how to manage their waste. So and the one last background is trash is very boring. From KLHK and UNEP, they say there are so many reasons why people don't manage their waste, and one of the reason is the most is trash is very boring. Like, what must they do with their trash? And then they feel like, I'm so bored with trash, so they just throw it and don't care about it. So the problem background is waste crisis in Indonesia. People don't know how to manage their waste. Waste is a very big issue, and the last, trash is very boring. So what if we make it more fun? So I like to present Biosantara. So what is this? So Biosantara simply is a company that want Indonesia is more green and more eco-friendly. So our missions or our goals is make Indonesia is more green from reducing waste and then producing the waste to become a useful item such as homeware, table, and many others. And then I will tell you later about us, how we work. So this is simply imagination, so you know how we work. So the first user sort and collect the waste, and then there will be app that show the nearest waste collector, and then the waste will be exchanged for points, and the points can be converted to money in e-wallet like GoPay, Dana, OVO, and such many other things. And then the last, the waste will be processed into a useful item, like I said before, to become a chair, tables, and many others. Okay, we will talk about the Biosantara app. First is from layouting. So because our target is a teenager or Gen Z in Indonesia, because they are the most majority Gen in Indonesia. So we get so many inspiration for the UX or for the UI or layouting such as Gojek, Tokopedia, Traveloka, and so many others. So we're gonna make it more simple, so it will be easily to use for the user. So this is the layout. Then like home, and then scan QR, and many other things. I will show you later. And then the color, because our target is a Gen Z or a teenager, so we must using energy color. And then we do some research for a color can be called energy color. So this is the color. We use a local name like hijau rawit, kuning blimbing, and then merah balado. And then the apps, the features. So we will see the prototype. Okay. So there will be splash screen. So I just make some of the main screens because I don't have many time. So this is the home screen. This is info banner, and then it will be ads banner, and then the maximum of the banner will be 8. So one is for information, and the 7 others will be ads in apps ads. And then you can scroll to down like that, and then like I said before, the app will show the nearest trash collector. So if we click, it will show the nearest. And then there is BV and BC. BV is Biofan and BC is Biochem. I will tell it to you later. And then when you arrive at the location, you can scan the QR code that given by the person that stand by there. And then after you scan, and then you click lanjutkan, and then you will get a points. And like I said before, the point can be changed to a money. Let's back to the presentation. Next is Exchange Plus Biofan. So there will be two types, that is Biofan and Biochem. So Biofan is simply like exchange place for a little item like a bottle, can, and then a carton, and then it will be changed to the fan. And then after you put them, the fan will show you a QR code in the screens, and then you must scan it to change it to points. And then if Biochem is same like a Biofan, but it's more like for a tons of waste. So if you have like 1 ton or maybe hundreds kilograms of trash, you can change it to Biochem, and then the point you get will be higher than Biofan. And then there must a rule. So the Biochem must be clean, so the people or the user that came there will not boring or feel like it's a disgusting place. Then the marketing. First is illustration branding. So I learned a lot from Gojek, Duolingo, and many others inspiration. So they always make a design that have interaction between the users and the design. Example from the Duolingo. Why do Duolingo always make expression in the characters or in the poster? Because it will make interaction between the users and the poster or the character. So it's feel like the photo is live. And then Gojek too, I learned about the stroke like this. I don't know, but it's feel like a teenager. It's really relate for a teenager. That's why if you see in Korean design character, simply design Korean character, or maybe you know BT21 from BTS, they always using stroke to the character. Cause I don't know, it's just make the character feels more life. Then I learned something that if you make it not simple, it will look terrible. Like this, I try some to make a character, and then there is so many design, like too many stroke, and if you see it, you'll feel like scared or creepy. Then I try to make it more simple, and it's feel like more good to see. And then the marketing from social media. So if it will become real apps, I'm gonna make social media, and the admin must active in the sosmed. Cause I learned from this guy, Exabytes, or they have a new account, Hectic Tolik. The first they are work in Exabytes, a server company, and then because they always make reels, make a video, then the Exabytes name is blow up, so people know about Exabytes. And then from a comment like this, Bin and then Gerindra or Tokopedia, they always active in sosmed, and simple things like this make a person or the user can feel like more interaction with the apps. So if they have sosmed and active, and then always make interaction with the users, so it's make the users more fun, more happy. And then the next is our income. The first is factory. So the waste that collected by the users will be delivered with a truck to the factory, and then the factory will make the furniture like floor, and then tables, and then chair, and so many other things like vase, and then bottles or a place for toothbrush. And then in-app ads. So like I said before, there will be a banner, and it will be used for in-app ads. And if I assumption our user is 1 million, there will be 100,000 user active per day. And then in that range, the price will be 2,500,000 rupiah per day. So for one banner will be cost 2.5 million per day, like that. And then the last is finance, will be delivered by Khalil.
Okay, we talk about the finance of the Biosantara. There is a finance about the model, return model, and growth. The first is a model. This is we count about 1 year. For the first is Biosantara app. This is just one application, and then the price is for 450 million, and the total is same. And then the biofan, or like vending machine, like already shown by Ahmad, we need to 80 the quantity of the biofan, and then the price we need is 5 million, and then the total is 400 million. And then the next is biochem, or the big of from biofan, and the quantity is 45, and the price per item or the per chem is 3 million, and the total is 135 million unit. And the next is truck. We need to buy some truck to use it for our business. We need to 5 truck. And then the price per truck is 300 million, and the total for 5 truck we need is 1,500,000,000. And then the factory is one factory we need for Biosantara for reduce the new item, and the price is 3,500,000,000, and the total is same because we need just one factory. And the next is we count about the ads marketing. We count about the 1 year. 1 year we need to 1,500,000,000, and then the total of the ads marketing 1 year is 1,500,000,000. And the salary of the one of employee, because we need to 60 employee for our business, is every 1 year we need to give to employee for the price per employee is 2,500,000,000, or the totally is same 2,500,000,000. For the operational, like the maintenance is for 1 year is 545 million, is like the electrical or the application and manuals for the maintenance is the totally of same 545 million. For total of this model is 1,530,000,000. For the return model we get, the aspect is in-app ads. The assumption will be 7 ads per 1 ads, 7 ads per 1 ads. We will to 2,500 per day, and the monthly result is 525 million. And the total user is assumption is 1 million, and then the monthly result is 100 active per month, 100,000 active per month. And then the next is waste per user is 2 kilogram per month, and then the next is 100 furniture units that we need, and then selling price per unit is 250,000 assumption selling price per unit, and then the monthly result is 25 million revenue. And then the production cost is 50% of selling price. The monthly result is 12,500,000,000. So the net profit is will be 13,025,000,000. The growth by year 1 will be the active by year is active user per day is 100,000. Revenue will be 25 billion, and then the second year will be 120,000 and will be plus to 20%, and then the revenue will be 30 million, and then the number 3 third year will be 150,000 or plus 25%, and then the revenue is 37,500,000,000, 37,500,000,000, and then the fourth year will be 200,000, and then the revenue is 50 billion, and then the fifth year will be added 25% or 250,000, and the revenue is 62,500,000, 62 billion 500 million, and the growth per year is 24%. For the consumer, maybe will be asked, is it worth?
Yeah, so from the all aspect that we delivered before, so is it worth to make this company? So the answer is absolutely yes. So that's it from us. Sorry if there are any mistake. So the last we say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.